Today, I would like to show you how to select a soft starter with the simulation tool STS. Application-oriented, fast and easy to use. Here we have an example. We need a soft starter for a pump application operated by a IE3 motor rated with 90 kW at 400 volt. Here we go with STS. Start a new simulation. First, environment and supply. Select the operational voltage, in our case 400 volt. If other data is not specified in detail, continue with the default values. Second, motor. Enter either rated power or rated current to specify the motor in your application. In our case, 90 kW. STS is pre-selecting a motor out of a database. Double check according to the list and select a motor that matches your application the closest. Most important values to consider here are the rated current of the motor and its starting current factor. Third, load. Select a pump out of the list of general load types. Quite important for soft starter selection is the moment of inertia, which is somehow describing how long a run-up of your application might need. The data is not easy to get. No worries. With STS you have three options. Either you use the default value based on your load type, input manually, or specify via a known starting time with a star delta or direct online starter. In our case, I know that the DOL starting time would be 3 seconds. One more thing about the load. By default, STS is calculating a fully loaded motor-load combination. Continue with that or change towards your individual application specifics. In general, a motor is somehow over-dimensioned to cover load peaks as well. For our example, we continue with 70%. Fourth, application parameters. Now it comes to the specific simulation of the starting phase, which you do with or without current limitation. In most applications, either from mechanical or electrical perspective, a limitation of starting torque or current is required. For sure, that's the main purpose why using a soft starter. In our case, I recommend using a relative starting current limitation of 4, which means 628 amps maximum starting current with our 157 amp rated motor. STS is calculating the estimated starting time and torque for our example. We are almost done. Based on our input data, STS is offering a number of suitable soft starters. To make it more clear, we input the number of starts per hour and select additional functions. After checking with our mechanical and electrical designers, we need pump stopping, motor overload protection, and a Profinet interface. We choose the 3RW52 in general and get the final article number. Finally, you can easily check its technical data or create a report. One benefit about the report is that you can add your feeder main components for short circuit protection according to IEC or UL load feeders. In addition, the report gives you a summary about all input data, simulation results, optional or required accessories like line contactors, and a recommended parameter setting for your initial commissioning. Done! With STS, you can select your soft starter application-oriented, fast and easy to use. In case you have limited data at hand, no worries. Continue with the default data in the tool. STS gives you the opportunity to vary specific data and see the influence on your intended selection right away. If you need detailed explanation about the individual input fields, refer to the help chapter and make you ready to become a soft starter expert. Get your simulation tool STS free of charge as download via the Siemens Industry Online Support page. And one last thing, if you are busy on the road, STS is also available for your mobile devices. Check out the app stores for download. And now, it's up to you.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.